Right, welcome back. Bit of an impromptu video. As you can see, I got stuff everywhere in the middle of bits. I've tried to make it look nice, but we just got to crack on. The postman's bin, old 365, has set me a challenge, if you've seen from his videos. So I've got this. So this is the buffalo, or the hairy cow as I like to call it. So we'll have a look and see what we've got to work with. So let's get it opened. He's really stitched me up with this one.
It was a stitch up.
Let's have a get into this. Oh, look at that. There he is from him.
Oh,
oh my word. Don't know what's in there. I think that's right. There he is. Right, 365. Let's have a look. Oh dear me. It looks well cool. I'm well happy with the relief. The hair's going to come out really cool. That's not a problem. Horns shouldn't be a problem. Ears sticking out a little bit. They see, it'll push in the sand nice like that. It's just these legs. The back two wouldn't. It's just, first initial thoughts. Yeah, need to up my game. There is a couple of tricks and processes I can do, because obviously he has challenged me to do this in the sand cast. So just, you know, a sand casting challenge. So I've got to work out how I'm going to do it. It will be done. I know obviously there's better ways of doing it with investment casting, lost wax, that type of thing. But no, we're just going to go, we're going to push the envelope a little bit, see what we can do with the sand casting. As I say, the back two legs aren't too bad. I'll go into it more detail when I actually do the video of me doing the tests, but we've got to do some tests. If you can see, there's a gap, so it'll push in the sand and the sand should go through. It's these front ones, because they're the same. When you push it in, you're just not going to get this leg, because that one pushes into the sand and you're just going to get, it's all going to be a horrible mess underneath. If they were astride like that, you'd probably get away with it, but they're all, yeah, I don't know whether you're getting that on camera when you look. See, they're all in line. So that causes problems. You want them all different, but there it is. It's got over to Silverpunk. So I just want to, yeah. Do I say thank you to him? I'm not sure whether I say thank you or what, but yeah, we'll. As you can probably hear from my voice, I'm just I'm just trying to think how we're going to do it. There is ways. We'll find a way, and we've got lots of time. So I think I'll do update videos. I'll show you on the process how we do it. There's going to be lots of trial and error. But I think, really, the first job, I think we don't pour this, because this is a chunk. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's literally going to be a chunk, this guy. I'll try and work out what it is. I think 365 wants you guys to guess on one of his posts. So, yeah, if you I'll put that video down below in the thingy bit, so you can all have a look. But yeah, no, really pleased. The textures, I love the textures on it. Should come out well. That should come out well. His face would come out well. I mean, that'd make a cool round, wouldn't it? Can you imagine that coming out of the middle of a round? His head like that, a buffalo. Big hairy cow. But yeah, as I was saying, we need to start in a smaller way, I think, because obviously to do that and to muck it up, there's a lot of silver to waste. So I'm going to try and get a little model. Very, very smaller, a lot smaller. So obviously it does get a little bit harder the smaller, because it's more intricate detail. But if I can work it out on a smaller piece and then transfer it up to that when we do the pour, that'll be cool. So there you have it, guys, the unboxing. The hairy beast has landed at Silverpunk HQ. Cheers, 365. I'd rather have gone for dry January.